guys, this is DIGADO from DIGADO Technologies, and today I'm going to show you a website of which you can use it free to host your websites. This website enables or helps you to host your website, either WordPress or whatever. If you want to host something online, it's free. And you shouldn't pay for any amount. So this website is called Profreehost.com. Profreehost.com. So as you can see from my screen, it helps you to host your website freely without paying for anything. So you can check them out. It's called Profreehost.com. Profreehost.com. So this website is going to help you at least host your website. So as you can see, they have easy way to help you. You have easy way to control your cPanel. They are 24/7 available to support you if you have any help, okay, or if you want any help. So it is called Profreehost.com. So you are going to pay for $0.00 and it's for life. So they give you 5 GB disk space. They give you unlimited bandwidth. You can check your website builder. You get it, good. And there is no ad to let me say intimidate you, okay, good. You have free subdomains, 100% free, and you do not have to pay for any penny, even 50 pesos, okay. Yeah, so as you can see, what you are going to do is you are going to click on the register now. Just click on that. Click on the register now to at least continue with the steps, okay. So I'm going to click on it. So I'm registering. So I've provided my email, okay. I have to provide my password. So I copied my email from a temp mail, okay. I did not use my main let me say email address. So I have to provide my password, and afterwards I click on enter, okay, good. So afterwards it's going to at least you are going to follow these security measures, okay, to capture if you are not a bot, okay, if you're a human being. You get it, good. So this is how the registration process is being done, okay. So afterwards you have to activate your account. So they will send you activation link in your email account. So you have to go there and click on it and activate your account to make it stable and active, okay. So let me go back to my temp mail and activate my account. So as you can see, they've sent me the activation link. So I'm going to just click on it and activate my account for this website, okay, good. So as you can see, let's wait for some seconds for it to load, okay, good. So okay, good. So as you can see, activate account. I'm just going to click on that button, then my account will be activated. So I'm just going to click on that. Afterwards it's going to redirect me into my account. After clicking on that, it's going to redirect me into my account for me to at least access the website. And good, as you can see, your account has been activated successfully. So as you can see, it's quite interesting. So what you do next is just click on the create new account, okay. Just click on that little blue icon there that says create new account. So upon clicking on it, it's going to redirect you into your account to create your subdomains and also create your domains, okay. So that good, as you can see. So launch your new website. So as you can see, the DNSs in this website have been provided, okay. So you have to create your domain, as I said. So but let me specify this. If you want to use your custom domain, you can use that. If you have a domain from let me say from any websites, you can use that here, okay. But if you do not have any domain, you can at least create a new one, okay. That's called free domain. So I'm going to at least create my own domain, okay. So I'm going to type Ghana, okay. Yeah, this is just for education purposes. So I'm only going to type Ghana as my domain. Okay, so Ghana, then choose, then check if it's been available. Okay, good. So I'll just type Ghana and use their domain, their DNS over there, then check if it's been available for me to use. Okay, so let me click on the check availability. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay, good. So I can use it, as you can see. Okay, ghana.liveblog365.com. so just click on that little icon there, okay, to continue. You get it? Good. It's quite interesting. So afterwards, it's going to open your cPanel for you to at least to access. Okay, good. So this is the account we've just created. This is the account you've just created, ghana.liveblog365.com. Okay, good. So if you want to create another domain, you can just click on the create new account, but I'm not going to do that for now. Okay, I'm going to click on the manage icon, that little green button there that says manage. Okay, so I'm going to click on that and show you the things in that. Okay, good. So let's wait for some seconds. So okay, good. As you can see, it has been opened. Okay, so you can see the overview of your account. You can see your username, the status is being active. Okay, your main domain. Okay, as you just created. So it's quite interesting, and you are not going to pay let me say any amount for this website. Okay, so let's get to the FTP so that I show you one or two things within there. Okay, good. So if you just click on the FTP, you are going to see your accounts, okay, your password, everything. So as you can see, FTP host name, FTP username, then the password. Okay, you can use that to at least access it. Okay, FTP means file transfer protocol. Okay, good. So let's get to the DNS. So one may ask, what's the meaning of DNS? DNS means domain name server. Okay, domain name server. So these are the DNS within the account. Okay, good. So I just click on the control panel. Okay, so upon clicking on the control panel, it's going to redirect you into your control panel. Okay, most of us quite cPanel. It's the same. cPanel and then control panel, they are the same. So we have to approve. Okay, so as you can see, our cPanel is being loaded. Okay, good. It has been loaded. So as you can see from our right hand side, you can see the pan is free hosting. You can see your FTP account, your subdomains, everything. Okay, your hosting volume, your MySQL username, MySQL host name, everything. You can see that on your right hand side. Okay, on my screen. As I said, the pan is free hosting. So as you can see, the online file manager, it is normally called file manager. Okay, you can see the FTP, you can see PHP my admin, you can see the subdomains, the add-ons, everything is just intact. Okay, good. So this website basically gives you everything. Okay, so you can see the email account, your folders, everything. Okay, as what we know already in some websites of which you have to purchase, you have to buy them. But here you are not going to buy anything. So as you can see, if you want to install WordPress, you can click on this one. Okay, good. So basically it's free. Everything is free. So let me click on the file manager to show you something. Okay, the online file manager. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, good. So it's loading. So basically this is question, and it's basically free. So let me click on the subdomains and show you one thing. Okay, sorry guys, let me click on the software clause. Okay, Good. So if you want to install WordPress, you can just click on that. We have Joomla, we have Abante Cart, we have everything. Okay, so this is the most interesting part. If you want to install WordPress, just click on the install. Okay, we have Dolphin, everything. We have gallery, everything. Okay, this is absolutely free. Absolutely free. You're not going to pay for anything. Okay, good. So let me go back once again and click on the subdomain to show you one thing. Okay, just click on the subdomains. Okay, to show you one thing, how you can create your subdomains and a whole lot. Okay, so good, it has been loaded. So create a subdomain. So I'm just going to type any random words here. So then I'll choose their DNS. Okay, sorry, I'll choose their domain here. Okay, as you can see. So I'm going to choose Ghana . Okay, as I created. So upon clicking on the create, it's going to be created for you. Okay, good. So basically it's quite interesting, and I love this website. I love it. So basically, guys, this is what I was talking about. Okay, let me show you the FTP account and let me close for today. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for me, DIGADO Technologies, and at the same time you can follow me on TikTok, DIGADO Technologies. And please, guys, share the link for my videos for others to at least get benefit from these tutorials. Share and like and watch and subscribe. Thank you.